guys, here you can see one more video as me came out with the Python, and in today's Python video I am telling about the lab variables. If you don't know what is lab variables, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it. What are lab variables? So here we start to, and please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss a future related videos. So I did not take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's learn about what are lab variables in Python. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's learn about what are lab variables in Python. So let's get started and let's learn about it. In Python, variables are used to store data types. What? Python are in the Python the variables are used to store a data. Okay, which type of data? Like in the this one variable. This is let me give you one example. This one variable. Okay, what? This is one variable. Variable, and this variable is containing a data. In that data there are some water. Let me show you. Let me come. In this data there are some, in this variable there are some data. Okay, so this one example of the variable and data. This variable is storing a data in here box. Here you can see it. This is like a one example I have shown you that can be referenced and manipulated. Here's a quick overview in the 2 points. Like first point is variables are created when you assign a value using equals. Number two, they do not need to be declared explicitly with a type. Python infers the type from the value. Let me give you one example. This one example, the first is integer and the second one is the string, and number third one is the float, and number fourth one is the boolean. And when you copy it and when you go on your Visual Studio Code, then open your new window, and when you write here in the file, the new file, and if you write here Rayyan.py, let me make one file by the name of Rayyan.py. You make any name of file like Python.py, like that type. I'm making my file by the name of Rayyan.py. So this type of pop-up is come like Rayyan.py already exists. Do you want to replace it? It means like the Rayyan.py file is already made it. Do you want to replace it? I'm saying yes. Because in that file there are not any important work in that file. If in your that file there are some important work, so press no and give the different name of your file, but I press yes. Now here what can I do? I'm pasting my code, and when I pasted the code, there was first example of the integer because there is a number, that's why this is an integer. Number two, this was Rayyan because there is a alphabetical, and that's why this is a string. Then there is a decimal, so that's why this is called as float. And there is a true, so that's why it is called a boolean. But if I write here false, so it is also called the boolean. Okay, but anyways I write like true. Now when I say to the Python print x, print name, print price, and then when I say print is active, and when I save it, and then it should give me like output 10 Rayyan 0.9999 and true. Why? Because here I write like 10 Rayyan 9.99 then true, because that's why. Let's come on it here. Rules. Let me tell you some rules. Variables names must start with a letter or an underscore. What? Variable names must start with a letter or an underscore. Okay. Number two, they cannot start with a number, and only alphanumeric characters and underscores are allowed. Means the variables are not started with the numbers. Like if I write here 1x, should give you the error, because I've told you like variables is not started with the numbers. Only variables started with the this type. Not the variables are not started with the numbers. Okay, you must know that. Now here I can say this video is very small because in today's video I told you about only the lab variables. I know this video is smaller because I've already made the video about the variables, but this is called a lab variable. What are lab variables? I've told you about that. That's why this video is smaller, because in today's video there are not such type of explanation. In today's video is about the lab variables, so that's why this is very smaller video. But I hope your concept will be clear about it. What are lab variables in Python? But if you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also so you never miss our future latest videos. So now I'm using exercise in next video. I'm making like that type of videos or I'm making that type of videos. So but for today, goodbye.